Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying what you mean by logo CPM and setting a clear dollar goal. Gather your master logo in SVG and high-res PNG. Include color and monochrome versions. Once done, decide which ad formats and placements you'll use, and note pixel sizes like 300x250 and 728x90. Make sure to export at appropriate resolutions and test transparency. This early precision reduces rework and ensures your creative matches the CPM pricing and delivery expectations you set with publishers. Now you design and optimize for performance. Produce full logo, icon-only, and stacked layouts so placements adapt without distortion. Use SVG for sharp vectors. Compress PNGs and target file sizes under 150 KB to meet ad network limits. Once you have variations, prepare a /B tests, swap colors, spacing, and a concise CTA to see what reduces CPM by improving CTR. While you work, document each variant name and expected behavior so you can measure which creative mix drives cost efficiency. Finally, upload your finalized assets to the ad platform and set initial CPM bids and frequency caps. You should monitor CPM alongside CTR and viewability daily. These metrics explain why cost moves. Once live, iterate. Raise bids where viewability is high, pause poor performing sizes, and swap better performing logo variants. If CPM spikes or impressions fall, check for file errors, incorrect aspect ratios, or mismatched targeting. A common fix is replacing a heavy PNG with an optimized SVG and tightening audience settings to restore performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.